Mark, confirm alignment on the east abutment.
Perfectly aligned on the center line. Confirm.
Watch the alignment on the north side. Steady. We're at minus 10 meters.
Here. Bring the formwork over here. All right, easy now.
Holding steady on this side.
Side. All right, hitting it with the vibrator now. Push it through. Looks good from here.
All right, I'll let the operator know.
Watch the edge on.
Mark, confirm alignment on the east abutment.
Reading confirmed at 250 meters. Target is clear. Send the next coordinates.
All right, drive that stake right there. We are perfectly aligned on the center line. Confirmed. Marking the spot now. All right, swing it left. Watch that piling. Clear on the left.
Keep lowering the pile. Watch the alignment on the north side. Steady, steady.
What's the current depth reading?
We're at minus 10 meters, but the water level is rising near pump 3.
Watch the swing radius. Okay, clear. Bring the formwork over here. Watch the cage, lift on my count. All right, easy now.
All right, bring her down easy. Holding steady on this side. Watch your clearance.
Keep the flow steady, move it to the left side. All right, hitting it with the vibrator now. Watch the edge barriers over there. All right, push it through. Looks good from here, keep it moving. We are showing a plus 50 here.
All right, I'll let the operator know.
Keep it coming straight ahead. Watch the edge on the right.